How to upgrade to TIFF Image Printer 12. For existing users of previous versions of TIFF Image Printer, you can access the upgrade to version 12 through your Peernet online account on the My Products tab. If you currently have an active ongoing licensing and support subscription for your image printer, the upgrade will be available at no additional cost. If you have let your ongoing licensing and support subscription expire, or you decline the ongoing licensing and support subscription, you will have to purchase your upgrade to version 12. For users with a free upgrade available, select Upgrade and then walk through a $0 transaction. Your new version 12 software and serial number will be delivered to your Peernet online account on the My Products tab. You will automatically receive a subscription license of the product, and your previous annual renewal rate will be carried forward. For all other users, you are given the option to either upgrade to subscription license or a one-time license of version 12. A subscription license allows users to activate and use the software for the term of 1 year, move, transfer, and reuse the license as required, access all updates and upgrades, and receive priority technical support. You are required to renew this license annually. A one-time license is a classic perpetual software license. Once the software is assigned to a computer, it can never be moved, transferred, or reused. You will not receive updates or upgrades. A one-time license is only available for end-user licenses. Select Purchase Upgrade for your desired license type. Once you have completed the purchase, your new version 12 software download and serial number will be delivered to your Peernet online account on the My Products tab. Select Download to download your purchased copy of TIFF Image Printer 12. Once the download is complete, double-click and run the software install. With major releases, example version 11 and version 12, the two versions of the image printer can both be installed on the same computer, although we would recommend uninstalling the old version once you have completed your transition to the new version to avoid confusion in the future. If you have previously installed the evaluation, the install will prompt you to uninstall the evaluation in order to install your purchased copy. Select Next to remove the evaluation version and replace it with your purchased copy. At the end of the installation process, you are given the option to launch the dashboard. This is the fastest way to proceed with activating your software. From the dashboard, select Activate Product. You will be prompted to enter your serial number to complete the activation process. For more information on activating, see our Install and Activate TIFF Image Printer 12 video. If you have made significant customizations to your image printer settings in the previous version, open the printer properties for the previous version so that you can create a personal profile in version 12. From the dashboard, select Edit and Create Profiles to open Profile Manager. Select Add a Profile to create a personal profile or create a copy of one of our system profiles. Go through the tabs, comparing the available settings to the Printer Properties window of your previous version in order to recreate your custom settings. If you require assistance, do not hesitate to contact Peernet support at peernet@peernet.com. Once you are done making changes, click Save and Back and close the Profile Manager. Then make this personal profile the default profile used by your image printer. Select Manage Printers, drop the box for the profile, and select your personal profile. Save your changes. Now when you print to TIFF Image Printer 12, your personal profile will be applied during conversion to create the output file you want. Try out our TIFF Image Printer for yourself and see how easy and effective it really is. Follow the link below to download a free trial.